do-it-yourself dough. And we have here the MOST Oreo. Now that's a lot of Oreo. That's to the nth degree Oreo. And I think this is a kind of a package that you peel off in the front, yeah. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, there's all the, they're already kind of not stacked up nice, thanks to me shaking the package. And so here we have it. This is what it looks like. And so I'll take one of these, and yeah, they call these the MOST Oreo, right? So it looks like, it doesn't look like a regular Oreo. It looks like they put a lot of that. Probably the reason people buy these cookies is the cream in the middle, and this is the cookies in cream flavor. So limited edition. So you better get this stuff while it's still scan to drive into the Oreo-verse. There it is, and that's the stats on the back. I don't think anything's sticking out. A little bit of sat fat, a little bit of the sugar department, but well, let's see what they taste like. I already know what they taste like, but taste them any. There's cookies and cream. What was it again? The MOST Oreo. Okay, so this is exactly what you'd expect from an Oreo product, except more. So big letters, M-O-R-E, the More Oreo. Anything you can do with an Oreo, you can do with these. You could take the cookie part out and then just eat the inside part of it first, or you could dunk it into something like milk. If they blindfold you and you taste test this, you'll know what it is, and just by the feel of the cookie itself and the taste and everything. So for those who don't like big surprises, this is not a big surprise in a lot of ways, but it's just a bigger, more cookie than what you normally get with them. So that's why they're calling it the More cookie. So yeah, these are good. If you like Oreos, you're going to love these things. It's just outstanding. Got the taste, got the look, and so there it is. Double thumbs up on that one, if I can get that thumb up there. There.